Today's video is one I'm particularly excited about because it's packed with information that can transform your income. If you're serious about making $20,000 a month or more, then buckle up because we're diving deep into the world of school and how Alex Hormozi's Skool Games can help you reach that goal. I'm not talking about quick fix schemes or throwing money at random ideas. This is about real, actionable steps using Skool, a platform designed to help you build, grow, and monetize communities. You will find the link to join Skool below this video. And Alex Hormozi's involvement takes this whole thing to the next level. He's an expert at scaling businesses and making them profitable fast. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified about future videos. In this video, I'll break down what Skool is, what Skool Games are, and how you can use these tools to grow a thriving community that pays you a hefty income every month. If you're ready to learn the ins and outs of building a six-figure income using a system designed for results, then grab your coffee and let's get started. What exactly is Skool? Before we get into the Skool Games, let's start with the basics. What is Skool? Skool is an online community platform designed to simplify and supercharge how you create and grow digital communities. It's built to combine the best elements of online learning, social interaction, and community building. Think of it as a hub where you can share courses, host discussions, and keep your members engaged. It's ideal for coaches, course creators, influencers, and anyone looking to build a community around a skill or interest. But here's what sets it apart. Skool isn't just a place to dump content. It's about creating interaction and building relationships within your community, which is essential if you want to make consistent money. On Skool, you can manage everything in one place: teaching, connecting with your members, and of course, monetizing. The more engaged your community is, the more they'll stick around and pay to be part of it. The role of Alex Hormozi and Skool Games. Now, let's talk about Alex Hormozi and Skool Games, because this is where things get really interesting. If you're familiar with Alex Hormozi, you already know he's a business growth guru. He's scaled multiple businesses to massive success and has a keen eye for finding opportunities where others don't. Alex teamed up with Skool's founder, Sam Ovens, to create Skool Games. Skool Games is a gamified contest designed to help you grow your community and maximize your revenue on Skool. It's essentially a structured program where people who host communities on Skool compete to see who can bring in the most paid members each month. The bigger your community grows and the more revenue you generate, the higher you rank on the leaderboard. And trust me, the prizes are no joke. We're talking big rewards for those who rise to the top. But here's the thing. It's not just about winning prizes. The true value of Skool Games is the knowledge, insights, and strategies you get from Alex Hormozi and other top performers in the program. Every month, there are live workshops where you can learn directly from Alex and other successful community builders. Even if you don't win, you get access to game-changing advice on growing your community, improving your engagement, and driving revenue. Step 1. Build an engaged community. The first step to making $20K per month with Skool, and one of the key lessons from Skool Games, is building an engaged community. And I can't stress enough how important the word engaged is here. You're not just collecting followers, you're building a group of people who are actively involved and invested in what you're offering. Alex Hormozi teaches that to create a high-performing community, you need to focus on three main things. 1. Find your niche. The tighter your niche, the better. The more specific the problem you're solving or the topic you're covering, the easier it will be to attract people who are willing to pay for your expertise. Whether you're a fitness coach, a mindset mentor, or a productivity expert, focus on a niche that's both in demand and that you're passionate about. 2. Consistently provide value. The secret to keeping people in your community and getting them to pay is value. This can be in the form of exclusive content, Q&A sessions, live calls, challenges, or insights they can't get anywhere else. Skool's platform makes it easy to host all kinds of interactive experiences, so use that to your advantage. 3. Engage constantly. Engagement is everything in Skool. The platform's features encourage participation with gamified elements like points, levels, and leaderboards. The more active your community is, the more likely they'll stick around and invite others. Alex Hormozi's Skool Games push you to keep your community engaged because that's where the revenue potential lies. Step 2. Monetize with memberships. The next key to hitting that $20K per month mark is monetization, and the best way to do that in Skool is through paid memberships. Alex Hormozi emphasizes recurring revenue, And that's exactly what memberships give you: consistent, predictable income. Here are a few ways to monetize your school community effectively. 1. Start with free and transition to paid. One strategy Alex recommends is starting your community for free to build up momentum. Once you've created value and engagement, you can transition to a paid model while grandfathering your early members in at no cost. This not only makes it easier to attract new members, but also builds loyalty with your existing ones. 2. Launch as a paid community. If you're confident in the value you provide, you can launch your community with a paid membership from day one. This requires a strong value proposition and a clear understanding of what your audience is willing to pay for, but it can generate serious income fast. 3. Offer tiered memberships. Another great approach is offering different tiers. One free tier with basic access and a premium paid tier with exclusive content, access to live events, or one-on-one coaching. 3. This way, you can cater to both casual members and those who are ready to invest more. By using these monetization models, you can create a reliable income stream that scales as your community grows. It's all about building trust, providing value, and offering something that people can't get anywhere else. Step 3. Leverage the power of challenges. One of the unique strategies in school games is using challenges to drive engagement and revenue. Challenges are a great way to give your community members a clear goal and a structured path to achieve it. This could be anything from a 30-day fitness challenge to a 10-day mindset transformation, depending on your niche. Why do challenges work so well? Because people love structure and accountability. They're more likely to engage and participate when there's a clear goal, a timeline, and support from the community. Alex Hormozi Skool Games teaches you how to create challenges that not only keep your members motivated, but also generate additional revenue. You can charge for participation in these challenges, offer premium support, and create upsell opportunities. Challenges also help foster a sense of community because everyone is working towards a common goal. The more successful your members are in these challenges, the more likely they are to continue investing in your community and recommending it to others. Step 4. Offer high-ticket services. If you want to accelerate your path to $20K per month, offering high-ticket services is a must. In Skool Games, Alex Hormozi teaches how to package your expertise into premium offers that provide significant value, and in turn, command higher prices. For example, let's say you're an expert in digital marketing. You could offer a $5,000 group coaching program where you help a select group of business owners scale their marketing efforts. You could also create high-ticket masterminds where members pay for exclusive access to your insights, strategies, and personal coaching. Even with just 4 or 5 clients, you could easily hit your $20K goal. The key is to offer something that's both valuable and transformative, something that gives your members a clear, tangible result. Skool's platform is perfect for delivering high-ticket services because you can host live coaching sessions, share resources, and create a premium experience for your top-paying members. Step 5. Use leaderboards and gamification to boost engagement. Another brilliant feature of Skool that Alex Hormozi leverages in Skool Games is gamification. People love competition, and Skool taps into this by using leaderboards, points, and levels to keep members engaged and motivated. Every action your members take, whether it's commenting, attending live sessions, or completing a task, earns them points, and those points can move them up the leaderboard. Alex teaches that gamification keeps people coming back and participating more. The more active they are, the more likely they'll stay in your community and invite others. And the more engaged they are, the more revenue you'll generate through memberships, upsells, and high-ticket offers. Final thoughts. Is Skool Games your ticket to $20K per month? So, can you really make $20,000 per month with Skool and Alex Hormozi's Skool Games? Absolutely. But like anything worth achieving, it takes work. The key is to follow the strategies Alex lays out in Skool Games, building a highly engaged community, monetizing effectively with memberships, offering premium services, and keeping your members engaged through challenges and gamification. Skool provides all the tools you need to succeed, and the guidance from Alex Hormozi and other top community builders makes it even easier. The great thing about Skool Games is that it's not just about hitting $20K in 1 month. The lessons you learn from Alex and other top performers can help you build a sustainable, long-term business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing community, Skool Games gives you a clear roadmap to follow. And don't forget, School is designed to be simple and effective, so even if you don't have a ton of experience, you can still get started, build a community, and start making money. Plus, the monthly contests keep you motivated. And even if you don't win, you get to learn from those who do, which only accelerates your growth. If you're serious about building a successful online business and making $20K per month or more, I highly recommend checking out Skool and joining the Skool Games. You will find the link to join Skool below this video. With Alex Hormozi's guidance, the tools on the platform, and the support of the community, the sky's the limit. So go ahead and take that first step. Your $20K month might be closer than you think. So there you have it. The blueprint for making $20K per month using Skool and Alex Hormozi's Skool Games. Whether you're a coach, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to build an online community, this strategy works across the board. If you liked this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on scaling your business, building your community, and hitting your income goals. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Skool or are thinking about joining Skool Games. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.